So you want to be able to mix, huh? You want to be able to record your people and all their juicy audio talents. Well, you got to be able to hear, and you can't do that if your ears ain't clean. So many audio gems. We're about to go beyond just ear cleaning, so make sure you stick around for the whole experience. So the topic for today is not as sexy as, say, a fresh pair of ATH M50Xs. If you happen to miss our video on that, link in the description below. At any rate, this topic of ear cleaning is extremely important. So important, it should have been our first video ever published. That's my bad, so here we go. In this world of audio that we all love so much, as a recording/performing artist, I'd have to say it's not as crucial, but for the engineers across the board, recording, mixing, mastering, and live sound, their ability to listen critically and monitor accurately is everything. So if you aspire to do any one of those things, you definitely want to pay attention. So in the context of being able to hear accurately, remember first there's the capture of sound. Then second, there's the reproduction of sound. Then third, you have a handful of measures to take, pun intended, to optimize the audio playback before it even reaches your ears. And all of this in turn to do what? To have a chance. Hear me when I say just to have a chance at making a properly informed decision as far as engineering moves made throughout the entire audio production process. Drum roll. And even if you got all that accounted for, the entire production process as an engineer is compromised if your ears ain't clean. So y'all listen up, lean in, cause this could be you. So I don't know how long this is actually a thing, and that alone is scary as hell. But I was maybe say 3 to 4 years deep in my audio journey at this point, so this means I was definitely in a production binge in the season, making beats every day. Nighttime, I wasn't trying to draw attention to my spot, so I'd be in the cans most of the nights. Some nights I was so dialed in, the sun would come up and I'd just take a cold shower, go straight into work. Many a nights, true story. Then one day, me and my boy hopped in the car, and normally I pay attention to the level I set my volume at, but when we got in the car this time and I turned the music up as I normally would, my boy's face turned sour so quick, and I think he hit me with something like,
You good? Yeah. Yo, I listen to my music loud, but that's loud as that's crazy. You ain't feel that?
no, my bad.
Whoa.
And it was then I realized why my mixes at the time were coming out so, well, you know. So from then on, I got more in tune with how well I was actually able to hear. Unfortunately, soon my hearing got progressively worse, so bad that I could clearly tell that I wasn't even hearing the upper mid-range the same. My high frequency perception for sure was shot. Like, guys, it was bad. We're talking like built-in low pass filter type bad. Like, how I'm gonna mix anything? The answer is, you can't. So fast forward, I start freaking out, went to the doctor, nurse comes in with the gadgets, takes one quick look and says, "Oh, wow," as I frantically respond. What do we see? Tell me. As the nurse remains calm. Hold on. Let me check the other ear. Goes to the other ear, quick look, puts her gadgets up, walks over, sits right down in front of me, looks me dead in my eyes and says, "What do I see? Not your eardrum." And that's the problem. As I sat there stuck like somebody just told me a family member passed, she follows with, "Now you said you were a sound engineer?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Well, baby, I hope your clients ain't paying you for your mixes, cause I know you in here shit with both of those ears blocked like this." I'm just playing, she ain't say that for real, but. So she goes to get back up. We get it removed immediately. But guys, let me tell you, when they removed that damn alien, that damn moon rock from my ear, nope, lie, I felt reborn. I heard the birds differently, just the wind blowing through the trees was super intense. I could hear everything. I could hear ants for it. I could hear people at my work talking shit about me from rooms away. I mean, everything. And then that's when the nurse recommended to me that I start getting in the routine of using this solution. It's non-invasive, which means you don't have to worry about potentially damaging your eardrum, and you don't have to worry about the compacting of wax that can easily happen over time from using Q-tips. So, enough about the nurse, let me actually show you just how easy this product is to use and exactly what it looks like using it. Okay, so boom, it's time to get these ears clean. Step 1, get in the shower. All right, so step 2, you're gonna need to get your items. The earwax removal aid kit comes with a solution, and then comes with the soft bulb. What do they call this? They call it the soft rubber bulb syringe, but I call it a squisher. We're not gonna need this right now, so we're gonna put this off to the side. We're gonna get rid of this. Now let's go to the next step and apply the solution. Time to get a little messy. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and boom! You already know it's action time if you start hearing that fizzle. But basically, if you're on top of your maintenance, you're not dealing with any actual real blockage. You're just using this for the solution for maintenance. So go ahead and drop your 5 to 6 drops if you're on top of your maintenance, and then tilt your head straight up and let it naturally wash off, and you're good to go. But if you have been negligent and you are in tune with your hearing, you're noticing an audible difference or slight hearing loss, there more than likely probably is some type of blockage or significant amount of wax in your ear, and that is going to require that you use one of these. And I'll show you what that looks like right about now. Go ahead and get the squisher. And the item I forgot to mention is a plastic cup. It's hella convenient. Just let the plastic cup fill up with water, and then you can go ahead and suck out the water and do it. It's a lot better that way. But anyways, this is where it gets really stupid, really messy, and this is why you need to be in the shop when you do this. Don't take this thing and stab your eardrum. Don't do that, but go ahead and put it in there. You just gotta kind of blast it out. Pretty annoying. And then once I've gone through my whole plastic cup, I just finished taking my shower and then go ahead and dry off as normal. And that's it. So let's go catch the rest of this video so y'all can get back to making more music. And it's easy as that. My double ear procedure, I think, ran me about $60 per ear out of a local clinic, so that's like $120 to get my hearing back to HD. But more importantly and more costly, it's the countless hours spent mixing that I lost, not even hearing what was actually going on in the mix. That all could have been avoided with the simple fix. And your solution that ran me about $12, which we do have a link for in the description below as we continue to try to make things as easy as we possibly can for you. At any rate, this solution could have saved me a lot of time and money if I would have implemented this into my personal hygiene routine from the jump. Comment section right now. What is your current method of ear cleaning? Do you even have one? Or are your ears currently blocked and low-key just don't know it? Guys, this is an undeniably crucial topic that I've never heard anybody talk about within any audio community. So I want y'all's take on this topic. And the comment section is where y'all can extend the conversation and really drive the discussion. Lucky for y'all, we have an easy solution. Check that link, add it to your hygiene bag today. Master Miller, I love y'all. Now, if you don't mind, I gotta go make more content for y'all. Sound Society, let's go.